Hi, hello everyone. It's me again. Today we learn on how to use properly a function that we may all know already, but you might still not know uh, one thing that function also capable of. Okay, today we're going to learn our function called sum product. What we already know, maybe the sum product, the function that will let you to calculate a multiplication of an array with another array. For example, this we have a recap of sales of uh, some mobile phone accessories products. We have the name of the products, the price, and the unit sales, the volume that that already sales. That we have this column also, the total of sales volume. You can do this multiply one by one row at a time, and copy to down and total sales. Sum all of this, and we get the total of our revenue or our sales. But we can also do this by some product. Some product, we choose one array, price array, multiply it with another array, the unit array, close the brackets, and we have the same number as the total, the total amount that we calculate with manually. I say that manually because we did this one by one row at a time. Okay. Uh, Maybe some of you already know this function capable of doing this, but there's another useful capability that this function, some product function, can help you out. Let's say I need to know how many data cables that already in sale. Let's put it right here, and the cable. I want value on the quantity that already in sale. We can do count the quantity of the data cable using some product. Uh, can use this some product, open brackets, another brackets. Pay attention to this. The brackets is double because we want to uh, choose only the data cable. Equals, remember, equals this data cable, the criteria. Close the brackets for the criteria array, another closing bracket for the sum product function. Enter. Oops, there's oops. We have 0 right here. We have some problem. This, the unit, the problem is because this is only get you, this formula here only get you true or false. The Boolean for in programming is the Boolean statement, true or false. The table true or false. Oh, okay. What we can do with some products to calculate or to count the number of data cable cells unit is we're going to open the bracket right here, one from array, another open bracket for the criteria brackets, choose the products column and close the brackets. Sorry, uh, equals to data cable. So this formula here will get you a true or false, a Boolean fact that will count, will have true or false. So they see this data right here and say that okay, if this matches to this criteria right here in column I3, then this column is going to change to true, has the value of Boolean of true. If not, like the row number 2 here, it will go or get you value of false, and so on. And then we close the bracket, another closing bracket, enter. We have 0. That happens because we still only have the classification of true or false for data cables. We still need unit, the quantity. Quantity is right here in the unit column. So what we can do, attention that we will not use a semicolon right here, but we use the multiply. Well, for the multiply this, the multiply symbol right here will change the true value of this to 1 and the false value of this to 0. So multiply it by the unit because we want to know the volume of the cells right here and push enter. Now we have this data cable cells in this data is 18. Is in fact at 18. But we can also move on with total sales of the data table using some product. Just like before, choose the product's name that will have to match the criteria data table. Close the brackets. Pay attention to the brackets because this is the formula that will get you a value of true or false based on this criteria, and multiply it with the unit column. This will get you the total unit of data cable sales, and still need to multiply it by the price because we want to get the total sales right here. close the bracket, extension, we have to close the bracket and enter. Sorry. We have 270 total sales for data cable. So uh, that is the proper use of some product that you might not know already. I guess simple tricks will should help you with your job or task that you can you should finish. Okay, that's it for now from me. Uh, maybe hope this video will help you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Comment if you have any question or another Excel tips that you want to know. Okay, bye.